Morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, let's start with revision of chapter number 6. First question is based on divide. Okay? So, divide 6 by 8. Fine. Now tell me during division, which number you will write inside? Yes, any other? Stand up. During division, which number you will write inside? 6. Yes. Okay. Keep in your mind, always write numerator inside. Whether big or small, doesn't matter. Okay. So here you will write 6 inside and 8 outside. It means this is divisor. 8 is divisor. Okay. Now, tell me, division is possible? Then what is the next step if the division is not possible? Yes, tell me. 0. Put a decimal. Yes, as divisor is bigger and dividend is smaller. Na? This is dividend. This is dividend. This is divisor. As divisor is bigger, so direct division is not possible. So we will take the help of decimal. You will put decimal here. With this decimal, you get 1 0. You get 1 0 in each and every step. Once you put the decimal, now you you will get 0 in each and every step. Fine. Now 8 sevens are 56. Do the subtraction. After subtraction, you will get 4. As decimal is here, so in each and every step you get 1 0. So 0 here. Why this 0? This 0 is because of this decimal. Okay. So 8 fives are 40. So this is. So yes, very much compulsory to write result. Okay. So what is result? 0.75. Here you will write what? You will write 0. So 0.75. Like this you will solve the sum. Note down. Then we will start next. And this division work is your fair work, not the rough work. During exam, you will show this division in fair, not in rough. Keep in your mind. Fine. Now, note down, then we will start next question. Come to the next. Next question is, again based on division, divide. Now tell me, what is the name of this fraction? Students, tell me what is the name of this fraction? Write down in the chat box. I am waiting for your responses. Yes. What is the name of this fraction? Very good. Mixed fraction. Before division, you will change mixed fraction to, tell me what? Before division, you will change this mixed fraction to what? The division of this mixed fraction is not possible, na? So you will change this mixed fraction to what? बेटा कल आपका डेसिमल का टेस्ट हुआ है अभी और आपको ये नहीं पता इसको हमने किस में चेंज करना है? यस, नो, यस, improper. You will change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay? How? To change mixed fraction to improper, first of all, you will multiply these two numbers. Always multiply like this. So 4 multiplied by 50 will give you 200. plus 9. So 209. So you will get 209 divided by 50. You have to show this calculation in fear. This is your fear work. How? One more time I am going to repeat. Multiply these two numbers. Okay. So 50 multiplied by 4 will give you 200. 200 plus 9 you will get 209. Okay. Now in the next step, start your division. So 209 divided by 50. Now tell me first of all. Tell me students. Rest of the students write down in the chat box. Tell me, write down the table of 50. 51s are 50. 52s are 100. 53s are 1. 54s are very good. So 54s are 200. Okay. Like this. 54s are 200. After subtraction, you will get what? 9. Now, what about next? Yes. Digits finished now. We have no digit to use. So you will take the help of decimal. You will put decimal here, and with this decimal you get 1 0 like this. Okay. Now again 51s are 52s are 100. Not possible. So 51s are 50. Because of decimal, in each step you get 1 0. Okay. So 58s are 400. आ जाएगा ना? 5 8s are 40 ना? 5 8s are 40. So 58s are 400. So here you will get 400 upon 400. In the result, you will write 4.18. Like this, you will solve the sum. Fine. First of all, you will change mixed fraction to what? क्या बोला मैंने? Improper. Very good. Not proper. Improper fraction. Then you will start your division. Okay. So note down. Next sum is again based on division. Divide 20 whole 19 by 20. You know ना इसको बोलते कैसे हैं? 20 whole 19 by 20. 4 whole 9 by 50. 4 is a whole number. Okay. This is fraction. So 4 whole 9 by 50. Now tell me, what is the first step? Yes. 20 into 20. So you will get what? 20 multiplication 20 will give you what? बेटा इसमें भी सोचना है आपको. ये 2 ये 2. 2 2s are 4 along with the 2 zeros. 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4 and apply 2 zeros. So 400 plus 19. So 419 divided by 20. Okay. 419 divided by 20. Name of this is improper. Name of this fraction is improper fraction. Okay. Now start your division. This is equal to 419 upon 20. Now start division. Tell me. Rest of the students write down in the chat box. Now check the table of 20. 21s are 20. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. No, 60 तो आएगा नहीं. So 22s are 40. Okay. So this is 1. All of you look here. Stop writing and look here. No need to write this 0. 4 minus 4, 0 na? You know na 4 minus 4, 0. So no need to write this thing. Now, 1 minus 0 will give you 1. 1 digit comes down. Okay. Now listen beta. Now listen to me very, very carefully. We have two conditions. Condition number 1 is digit खत्म हो गए. एक तो कंडीशन होती है हमारे पास डिजिट क्या होते हैं, फिनिश हो जाते हैं. ओके, लाइक दिस. ये देखो, जब हमने ये किया था, जब 9 आया था, तो 9 के बाद यहाँ पे हमारे पास डिजिट क्या हो गए, फिनिश. जब डिजिट फिनिश हो गए तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या लगाया, पर अभी हमारे डिजिट फिनिश नहीं हुए. नाउ लिसन टू मी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. हमारे अभी डिजिट फिनिश नहीं हुए, अभी हमारे पास सिंगल डिजिट है 9. सो 9 कम्स डाउन, बट डिवीजन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. यस, 0 से होगी बेटा. या तो आप डेसिमल लगाओगे या डिजिट नीचे आएगा. अगर डिजिट नीचे आ गया तो फिर आप ऑन द स्पॉट डेसिमल नहीं लगा सकते. ये नहीं है अभी 9 को भी नीचे ले आए और यहाँ पे डेसिमल भी लगा दोगे. नो, आप 9 को नीचे लेके आए, डिवीजन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो डिवीजन बाय 0. ओके, नाउ 19. Now we have no digit. Look here. Now we have no digit. Now you will put the decimal here. एक ही स्टेप करना है, या तो डिजिट नीचे आएगा या डेसिमल लगेगा. अगर आपका डिजिट नीचे आ गया तो ऑन द स्पॉट आप डेसिमल नहीं लगाओगे, आप किससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे, 0 से. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव, now put the decimal and with this decimal you get 1 0 now. Okay, like this. Tell me, what about next? Yes, 29s are 180. Very good. 29s are 180. So this is, then 25s are 100. So like this you will solve the sum. So 25s are 100. This is the way to solve this sum. अगर डिजिट नीचे आया तो ऑन द स्पॉट आपका डेसिमल नहीं लगेगा. डेसिमल तब लगता है जब हमारे डिजिट फिनिश हो जाते हैं. अभी हमारे पास डिजिट फिनिश नहीं हुए थे, अभी हमारे पास 9 था. तो अगर डिवीजन नहीं हो रही तो डिवीजन किससे करोगे, 0 से. ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू विल सॉल्व द सम. नाउ राइट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Again we have divide. Okay, divide 3.0525 divided by 5.5. Yes students, anyone if you want to reply raise your hand. Mehak, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, how can you solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we will write 30525 over, ma'am, how many? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers after decimal.
Very good.
So we will write 1, 0, 0, 0.
Very good. Okay, because we have 4 decimal places. Check This is decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 decimal places. So here you will write 4 zeros. Now what about this 5.5?
Then we will write divide. We will put divide side in between. Then we will write 5 over 10
Very good.
because we have one after decimal.
Yes, we have only one decimal place. Here we have only one decimal place. So you will write 10 here. Good. Next is not for you. Yes, tell me. Good, 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 good. Yes, Agreem, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is the next step, Agreem?
Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to reciprocal.
yes.
Ma'am, reciprocal.
Reciprocal. Which side? Left hand side or right hand side?
Ma'am, right hand side.
Right hand side. And this division sign, with the division sign, you will reciprocal.
It will become multiply.
Yes, good. Okay. So division is not possible like this. So we will change this division symbol to multiplication. And when we will change this division symbol to multiplication, this number, reciprocal. Yes, good. So write down 30525 upon 1234 multiplied by 10 by 55. Okay. Now what about next?
Ma'am, 10, ma'am, 0 cut.
Cancellation of 0 with 0. Okay. And next is, so next we have 30525 upon 123 multiplied by 1 by 55. Okay, good. Now students, listen to me very, very carefully. Now next is your wish. Either divide this 30,525 by 55,000 directly, or second method is divide 30,525 by 55, and after that put the decimal according to this. So there will be no hard and fast rule. अगर आपने इन दोनों की डिवीजन करनी है, ओके, अगर आपने इन दोनों की डिवीजन करनी है तो पहले इन दोनों की डिवीजन कर लो, इसको बाद में हम एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 30,525 divided by 55. Okay, now start. 55 ones are 55, 55 twos are 110, 55 threes are 165. Tell me क्या आएगा. Start. Yes, students. Pavneet, zeros are. Write down, this is 55 now. So write down 55 ones are 55, 55 twos are 110, 55 threes are 165, 55 fours are 220, 55 fives are 275, 55 six are 3. This is 330 now. So this is not possible. This is okay. So fives are 275. Okay, like this. So 0, 3, and this 2. Again fives are 275. यस, डायरेक्ट ही आ गया 5 पे 275. ये देखो 275, 275. सो फाइव्स आर 275. Okay, and show this division in figure. Now you will get 555 upon 1000. अभी हमारे पास 1000 भी है, अभी ये भी तो है. Okay, yes. Now apply the shortcut method. Count zeros. How many zeros? 1 2 3. Okay. Pavneet, what are you saying? We will start multiplication with 2 digits. Why? Pavneet, raise your hand. Pavneet, unmute yourself.
मैम आई वांट टू से दैट कि अगर हम 55 की डिवीजन टू डिजिट से करते हैं तो 0 आना था.
नहीं, आप किसकी डिवीजन कर रहे हो?
मैम जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में भी आप हमको डिवीजन कराए थे तो मैम उसकी टेबल की
डिवीजन तो बेटा
मैम ये
डिवीजन ऐसे ही होनी है, डिवीजन ऐसे ही होनी है, और कोई इसका वे ही नहीं है डिवाइड करने का.
मैम मैं 0 इसलिए कह रही थी क्योंकि मैम एक्चुअली मेरे को लगा कि पहले हम 2 डिजिट से स्टार्ट करेंगे ना.
नहीं, 2 डिजिट से स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो सकता. ये 30 है, 30 के नीचे 55 आ सकता है? आ ही नहीं सकता. 2 डिजिट से तो तब स्टार्ट होगा ना, मान लो यहाँ पे 65 होता तो फिर 55 1s are 55 आ जाना था. ये नंबर ही हमारा वो है 32 डिजिट वाला, 55 से स्मॉलर. ओके, नाउ बेटा इसको मत भूलना, ये भी अभी है, ये अभी पड़ा हुआ है. नाउ काउंट द zeros. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, put the decimal. 1 2 3 decimal 0. So 0.555 result. This is the result. So like this you will solve the sum. Note down, then we will start next question. Yes? Done? Now come to the next question. Divide 1.3325 divided by 2.5. And if you want to do the cancellation ना, तो आप कैंसलेशन भी कर सकते हो धीरे धीरे, पर कैंसलेशन के लिए भी बेटा आपको डिवाइड ही करना पड़ेगा, तो उससे आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा. ओके, नाउ एनीवन इफ यू वांट टू रिप्लाई? यस, from one side or from both the sides? From both the sides. Very good. First of all, we will remove the decimal from both the sides. Good. So this is 13325 upon, yes, tell me, how many zeros here? Yes. So 1 2 3 4, 4 decimal places. So 1 2 3 4 divided by 25 by 10. Okay, sit down. Yes, Natansh, what is the next step?
And then we will reciprocal the right side.
Yes, then we will reciprocal the right hand. and put multiplication sign here. What is the next step, Natansh?
And then we will cut 0 by 0.
We cut 0 with 0. Okay. Now one more thing, if you want to divide, if you want to do the cancellation in the table of 5, you can. आपको पता है ना इन दोनों की 5 के टेबल से क्या हो जानी है, कैंसलेशन, पर उसके लिए भी आपको इसको 5 से डिवाइड करके देखना पड़ेगा. ओके, वो तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, वो तो हम 25 को बेटे डायरेक्ट कर ही रहे हैं. नाउ स्टार्ट योर डिवीजन. मैं ये कह रही हूं अगर आपको 25 पे डायरेक्ट करना टफ लगता है ना जैसे भी, तो इसकी कैंसलेशन कर लो 5 से, पर उसके लिए आपको इसको 5 से डिवाइड करके यहां दिखाना पड़ेगा. अगर 25 से डायरेक्ट, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी आप ऐसा कर सकते थे. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू डू द कैंसलेशन, do the cancellation slowly but show the division in fear. क्योंकि orally तो आप कर नहीं पाओगे बेटा इसकी 5 पे कैंसलेशन, के कर लोगे 5 पे orally, 5 से इस नंबर की orally कैंसलेशन कर लोगे नहीं ना. अगर आपने कैंसलेशन करनी भी है 5 से तो show the division by 5 here. Okay, now बताओ 5 से करेंगे डायरेक्ट 25 से ही कर दें, 25 से ही कर देना. हाँ
25.
ओके, नाउ हाँ 5 पे आएगा 25, 5s आर वेरी गुड, सो 125. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट अबाउट नेक्स्ट. यस,
I'm on 3.
3 पे, yes, what, 75, very good. now direct on 3, 75. अब आपको समझ आ गया ना कैसे करना है. ओके, सो लाइक दिस, सो you will get 533 upon 1 2 3. Fine. One more time I am going to repeat. After division, इसको नहीं भूलना आपने, ये भी है अभी साथ में, इसकी भी एडजस्टमेंट करनी है. ओके, सो जैसे मैं ये सर्कल लगा रही हूँ ना,
0.5.
सर्कल आउट कर लेना, आपको माइंड में रहेगा भी अभी हमने इन दोनों को कंबाइन किया, ये भी है अभी हमारे पास. ओके, सो नताश टेल मी द रिजल्ट.
I'm 0.533.
0.533. Fine. So like this you will solve your sum. Note down. Write down next. Yes, students, if you have done, write down in the chat box. Then we will start next question. Now write down next. Again we have divide 48 divided by 1.92. This is the sum. 48 divided by 1.92. Yes, anyone? Myra Sharma, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Myra, tell me, how can we solve this sum? Yes. Tell me, students. डेसिमल है बेटा, डेसिमल रिमूव करो. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में दोनों साइड डेसिमल थे, हमने दोनों साइड से डेसिमल रिमूव किया। यहाँ पे जहां पे डेसिमल है वहां पे रिमूव कर दो। यस, सो दिस इज 48 divided by 192 upon 100. That's it. Look, this is decimal now, so you will remove the decimal. Now again we have 48 multiplied by 100 by 192. 100 by 192. Now if you want to divide directly, divide. If you want to do the cancellation, मैं हमेशा आपको बोलती हूँ जैसे आपको convenient लगता है. अच्छा, one more thing. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में मैंने बोला था वो जीरोस को छोड़ दो, यहां नहीं छोड़ना। वहां पे मैंने जीरोस को क्यों बोला छोड़ो, क्योंकि वो जीरोस कहाँ थी, नीचे 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 थी, पर यहाँ पे हमारी जीरोस कहाँ है, ऊपर। इसको साथ में ही लेके चलोगे। यहाँ पे जो आपका 100 है, ये 100 नीचे नहीं है, ये 100 ऊपर ही है, तो इसको 48 के साथ लेके ही चलो। ओके, सो 4800 upon 192. Keep in your mind, in the previous question मैंने आपको बोला था डिवीजन करो, जीरोस को हम बाद में एडजस्ट करेंगे। रीजन इज जीरोस कहाँ थे, नीचे। यहाँ पे जो हमारे जीरोस हैं वो नीचे नहीं है, ऊपर है, तो आपने इसको इग्नोर नहीं करना, साथ में लेके चलना है अभी। ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। टेल मी first of all, which number? One 192 ones are 192. 192 twos are, start writing. 192 ones are 192. 192 twos are 384. 192 threes are 576. Very good. So 2 384. Okay, very good. Do the subtraction. $960. Now continue. 192 fours are 192 fives are 960 now. So 192 fives are 960. Finished. Okay, so in the result you will write what, 25. So what is the result, 25 is the result. Now one more time I am going to repeat. Students, keep in your mind, if zeros in the denominator, then no need to division by that zeros directly. Okay, उनको छोड़ दो, अभी बाद में एडजस्ट करेंगे। बट but zeros in the numerator you will first multiply, then you will start your division. इसको नहीं आप छोड़ोगे। Okay, that's why मैंने दोनों केस डिस्कस किया आपके साथ। Now write down next question. Write down next. Yes students, done. अब आपको क्लियर हो गया ना, टेबल लिख लो साइड पे, आपको इजी हो जाएगा। 192 ones are 192, 192 twos are 384, 192 threes are 576, like this. Okay, now next sum we have, write down, divide now start and tell me the solution. Start doing. Yes students, start solving this sum and tell me the result. quickly. Yes, students? Anyone, if you want to reply? Only Mehak, Natansh and Myra? What about other students? Solve this sum. Okay, rest we will discuss tomorrow.